हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi! Happy
हैप्पी
birthday! May you have a very good day,
Fantastic.
celebrate very well, and have a fantastic
Fantastic
year.
year.
Yeah? And always be smiling. Your smile just lights up everyone's life. So make sure you smile a lot, even if people think you're mad, it's fine. So just laugh, enjoy, be happy, be yourself. Okay?
और गाते रहना।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Kitty. Happy birthday to you. और ये मेरे कुत्तू बहुत सारा प्यार बहुत सारा हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Kitty! Wish you a very happy birthday, many happy returns of the day dear. और भगवान तुम्हें हमेशा खूब खुश रखे. And I still see you as a small kid जो हमेशा उछलती कूदती रहती थी और मिट्टी खाती रहती थी और चौक खाती थी और खूब शरारत करती थी. बट आई मिस यू सो मच. अपना हमेशा ख्याल रखो, खूब हेल्दी रहो, हमेशा ऐसे ही मुस्कुराती रहो. गॉड ब्लेस यू. से अनाया से मौसी को हैप्पी बर्थडे मौसी.
Happy birthday, Masi.
ये लो.
Hi, Masi. Happy birthday.
साली साहिबा जन्मदिन आपको मुबारक हो. विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. बी अ फाइटर एज यू आर. गॉड ब्लेस यू. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shruti. God bless you with lots of happiness and good health. Lots of love from all the Panthers. We miss you, love you. Take care. Enjoy your day. Bye.
हेलो हैप्पी बर्थडे किट्टू।
Hi Kittu, happy birthday.
Hi Shruti, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Hi Shruti, very happy birthday to you and always stay happy and God bless. Enjoy.
Hi Shruti, I know it's your birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. నువ్వు ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేస్ ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని ఎప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఐ విష్ యూ వెరీ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. బాయ్.
Hi Kitty, happy birthday.
Hey Kittu, happy birthday. Stay blessed, keep shining, be cute the way you are. Keep singing.
Keep singing, yeah. Keep singing, please. Keep singing. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi Shruti darling. Many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Dee, happy birthday. May God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. I know it's Corona time, so probably you will not be going out, but still enjoy at your home. And what else? We'll meet soon. We'll have fun then. And till then, just stay safe and stay blessed. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hey Shruti, this is for you. Happy birthday, darling. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Didi. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday. So here ये आपके लिए है. Wish you very happy birthday. May God bless you. Say is for you, Didi. Please enjoy this cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Putu. Happy birthday, dear Kittu. Love you, beta. Happy birthday. Love you, Putu. Many happy returns of the beta. Mwah. Mwah.
हेलो हाय किट्टू, हैप्पी बर्थडे। दय्यम हैप्पी बर्थडे। और क्या हाल है, पर्वत के क्या हाल है? हैं? ओके बाय। हैप्पी
हेलो किट्टू,
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
किट्टू हैप्पी बर्थडे। कहाँ बोल रहे हैं? किट्टू हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the I love you to the moon and the back.
Happy birthday Kittu Didi. Stay safe, stay happy.
Hi Shruti, happy birthday. Happy many returns of the day. I am blessed to have a friend like you, Shruti. Miss you, yaar. 19 to 19. Have fun, enjoy. Happy birthday once again. Take care. Bye. Miss you a lot.
Hi Shruti, good evening. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello Shruti, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Enjoy your day. Bye. Love you.
Hi Shruti, happy birthday. God bless you. Please take care of your health. Please be safe at home or wherever you are, and keep smiling. And have a lovely birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kitty Raji. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Shruti. Love you. I just want to say one thing on your special day. First of all, have the most beautiful day of your life. And I really want to say something about you which is really different in you, which nobody else I have ever seen on this earth has that. The kind of smile that you always wear on your face has always been very different and aspiring for me. It has always been a kind of an inspiration that whatever may be the situation, you only smile. You have that smile to make others feel that yes, this is Shruti. When a person called Shruti can become like this, why can't you? That's the reason you are an inspiration for me. You have always been, and I know you will be in the years to come. The only thing I can say, I hope all your dreams come true and you get beautiful surprises in your life. You get all you want in your life, and the years coming ahead will be the wonderful years for you. Happy birthday today, and of course all the years that are coming ahead. Be a wonderful, beautiful as you're always. Love you and wish you a very beautiful day.
Happy birthday, Shruti. Have a lovely day. Have a wonderful day. May you have all the happiness in the world. I miss you. I miss your songs. I miss the Bandar Kunjar. I will never be able to get that one. Never ever. I miss you for that. God bless you and have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, Shruti Masi. Happy birthday to Mercy. Enjoy your day. Enjoy. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mwah. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you, Shruti. Long live, fit and healthy.
Happiest birthday, Shruti. You know, you are more stronger, more powerful girl in this world. Because जो लाइफ की स्ट्रगल शायद तुमने तय की है ना, वो बहुत से लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. You are most amazing person, more clear about your action, about your thoughts. So वो सारी चीज़ें ना तुम्हें बहुत amazing person बनाती है. So in this special day, I want to say you that God bless you, be happy and take care of yourself. And we are always with you. See you soon. Love you, sweetie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shruti. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hey Janu, happy birthday. I wish you have a great birthday this year. I'm sure you will. I want you to know that I love you always and I miss you so much. Mummy Daddy kuda neeku birthday wishes convey chesaru. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling always. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi Shruti, very happy birthday to you and always stay happy and God bless. Enjoy your day. Thanks.
Hi Shru. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. It's a very special occasion and yeah, obviously that's your quarantine birthday. Okay, I know it's a quarantine birthday, but make the most of it. Stay smiling with those dimple smiles. Pretty lady. God bless you with all happiness and good health. And we are definitely catching up post quarantine. Okay? Love you. Mwah.